Hi everyone, it's Josh from Motorway here. Today's video is of a Diorama update, and as you can see, I got a special thing to tell you all about. Which this, where the HUO is, and the Mark III coach, that's going to be known as Otto and Hobbs Railway Park. I was originally going to have it as a holiday park, but now it's a railway theme sort of park where there will be a couple of exhibits like this HUO, and when it does come, I believe it's next month in October or November, the ZDV wagon, which will go there after I do the review of it. As I wanted to have two tributes on this layout. Well, technically it's three. One for the railway park, which is today's video, and then another one which is going to be over there, which I'll explain in next week's video, and also one in December, which is going to be later on this year, which I can't wait to tell you all about. But the Mark III, the SD one, the LNER Platinum Jubilee one, that's going to be like a cafe, and then you have like roughly about, if I stand up, like this bit here is going to be like picnic benches for the railway park, and then where the station is going to be, which I'll tell you the name of that next week. Wherever it finishes, roughly around maybe here, I say, is going to be like a crossing to get to this railway park from the station, which it would look great. And why I wanted this railway park was because recently, where the Mark III is, that's the slate Ford carriage platform kit from West Hill Wagon Works, and I was like, that would be great to have for like a railway holiday park, as I was thinking about it. But now it's going to be where the customers can go into the coach and have a drink or something to eat, and I possibly might get, like, if they wanted to, have a barbecue as well, which would look very nice, it will. And then where the station track is pretty much there, as you can see, there will be some kind of fence, like a metal fence, blocking the line, between the line and the park, which will be quite nice, it will. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to get kits and stuff, kits and 3D printed stuff, when I can, for like this Diorama. This time next year, all this will be magnificent, it will, and I really can't wait to show you all what I will do to it, like with benches, barbecues if I wanted to, possibly like vans like fish and chip vans and all that sort of stuff. So that would look really nice, it will, for the future of this diorama. And I'm going to leave the video there. Hope you enjoyed this short and sweet video talking about the diorama update of the Otto and Hobbs Railway Park. The next video, in fact, might possibly be either Wednesday or Thursday, because I'm going to see a rail tour coming to Plymouth, which I will post in the community tab which day I'll upload the video, because it possibly be Thursday, it will. And then the next video after that will be of another rail tour video, but this time of the Statesman coming down to Penzance. But next week's video is basically, oh, and also my birthday video before the Statesman video, which the Statesman video will be out at 5 PM. The birthday video will be out at 12 midday pretty much. And then the video on next Monday will be about the station diorama update, which I'm really looking forward to showing you what I got planned for it. So I will leave you now. So if you are new around here, smash that subscribe button down below and click the bell for all notifications, everyone. And also like this video and share this video so everyone will know that I've uploaded my videos. And this is Josh from Mousel Rail here. I will see you all in the next video. See everyone. Bye.